Good job, Avery. And here's Don Owens.
Tough act to follow. Hey, I'm Don Owens from Cleveland, and I'm just a little bit over 16, so. All right. It's a song I wrote last time I was in Nashville in May. It's called Porch Flag. Porch flag flying next door in the wind. He ain't missed a day since I moved in. He thanks God and country for everything he has. That's why he flies his porch flag. He came home from war in '69. Grandson serving for a second time. He says we all pay a price for what we have, so boy, you better fly your porch flag. That old Ford in his driveway, it don't run too good at all, so I take him to church on Sunday and the Legion Hall. I've never known a better man or had a better friend, steady like that porch flag flying in the wind. These past few months he wasn't doing well. I'd see him in his yard and I could tell. We talked quite a bit before he passed. Now every day I fly his porch flag. I fly his porch flag. I fly his porch flag.
Don Owens.
Thank you.
And our last song for the night